equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, unplug your Dyson SV14 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing to expose the internal components. Now, you should see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This will help improve performance and longevity. If you find this task overwhelming, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the casing removed, locate the motor's wiring. Carefully disconnect the wires by using your flathead screwdriver to pry them loose. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the wires are disconnected, you can remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. After removing the old motor, take your new motor and align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fitted to avoid any issues later on. Next, reconnect the wiring to the new motor. Ensure that the connections are secure and that there are no loose wires. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the user manual or consider our quote before repair service, which can provide clarity on any uncertainties. Once the motor is connected, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the casing back onto the unit, ensuring that all clips and edges align properly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the casing tightly. Finally, give your Dyson SV14 a thorough clean before testing it. This includes checking the filters and ensuring they are free from blockages. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything is working well, congratulations on successfully replacing the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.